Hey guys, welcome to Dabble Dabble Do. I subscribe to Scentbox subscription. I haven't opened it yet. I just got back from the mail. And I'm going to go ahead and open this box up. So, if you're not familiar with Scentbox, it is a monthly subscription for designer perfumes. And I have my notes here. And so, a little bit about it. It is a 30-day supply of designer perfume. It is $14.95 for one perfume every month, and right now they're doing a sale, so it's $9.72. It's 35% off on your first box, and it's free exchanges. So if you don't like the scent, you can exchange it for a different one, which is it's actually really cool. And the perfume is 0.27 ounces, and it comes with a little applicator that you can reuse. And let's see. Oh, and you can choose over 850 different designers, and I got the so there's a premium, and the premium, you get access to higher end perfumes, and I got the Ulta Premium, which is the deluxe box. That's where you get 2 perfumes, and you also get to choose from higher end perfume designers. Okay, so, and all of these are on discount right now because they're doing a 35% off any of these boxes. And just to kind of, I don't usually wear perfume. I don't even wear scented lotions because scented lotions just irritate my skin. So this is something new for me. But I've always kind of wanted to try. I try to get perfumes, but you know, it usually, I don't like the smell, or it just smells kind of cheap. So I wanted to try this out so I can get high-end designer perfumes, try them out, and if I don't like them, I'm not paying, $50 for a perfume that I don't like. So without further ado, I'm gonna open this up. Okay. This is what it looks like. And this is what they call the keepsake box. This is scent of the month. So they have some information on some different scents. It is the scent of the month. This is for women and this is for men. You can also get cologne or perfume. And then it looks like they send you, in case you don't like, let's see. No, that's not that. Okay, so I am excited. So let's get into this box. Okay, so it looks like this. It says free exchange. That's really nice because if you don't like the scent, then you can just exchange it. And then this is a thank you note. And then on the back, you get 15% off full-size bottles. So if you have a perfume that you like, you get 15% off. And it comes like this. You guys can see that. It's really pretty. This is really nice packaging. The scent is at the bottom here. And I got Escada Agua del Sol. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but I'm gonna up here somewhere or over here, I will go ahead and pull up a picture so you can see it. So the perfumes I got. Oh yeah, so it actually twists open. And this thing comes out and it looks like this. So I can smell it from here, and it just, this is kind of like why I don't like perfumes. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try it out for a month, see if I like it, or a couple days, just because it smells perfumey. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. I like things that smell not like alcohol, or I like things that smell real and pretty and fresh. It smells sweet, but I can tell it's just like that, it smells very perfumey. I'm not going to try it on right now. I'm going to smell the other one because I don't want to get them mixed up. And then I got this one here, Victoria's Secret one. And this one, these I got, they had really high reviews, so that's why I chose them. Because I had no idea really what I was looking for, so I just chose the ones with the highest views and that looked nice with their notes. And it actually lists like the different notes, the different smells, and what they're kind of going through, like what they're trying to I don't know how to say it, what they're trying to get it to smell like. So there's this one. Let's see how full it is. These are pretty full. It smells almost exactly the same. It just smells like that weird. Well, it smells a little bit different. This one is definitely sweeter smelling. Almost like candy, kinda. I don't know. Perfume kind of reminds me of like high school. Like, I don't like that cheap little like sprays you get. I can't remember what they're called, but it kind of smells like that. I don't know if I'm. This kind of smells like apples, which I actually kind of like this one better. I'm gonna still try it out. I have different ones, like completely different than this. These are a little bit more like flowery, fruity. The next ones I got for next month for fall, it's a little bit like fall and maybe more natural. I think I'm gonna go for more of like wood, kind of amber kind of smells next time, and I'll let you know how these wear, and also how long they last and if it's worth the price. I like this one more, so I think I might spray this one on and see. Put it right here. Okay, it smells a little bit different when it's on. I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of like perfume. I do a lot of like the roll-on natural stuff. Actually, it's starting to smell a little bit better. It's very perfumey, which is, I don't know, but to me it just smells. Actually, now that it kind of like sits on your skin, it smells a lot better. So, like, rub it on. Yeah. Definitely, I would suggest like rubbing it on, and I'll see how it wears, how long the smell lasts, and see if I get any compliments on it. And I'll let you guys know next month when I get my next subscription. Also, if you want to try it, I'll leave a referral link down below. If you click on the referral link, you still get the discount that's going on, 35% off, but you also get a free perfume. So it's my link, I'll link it down. You get a free perfume with your purchase, and then you can also refer someone else, and they can get a free perfume, and you will also get a free perfume. So If you're interested and you want to try it out, go ahead and click the link below. And if you like to see more videos like this, I'm going to go over some of my face story. I got at the beginning of the month. I've been trying it out, and I'm going to go more in depth about that. So if you're interested in that, I'll link that below too. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!